Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download configure email templates in Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and configure email templates in Salesforce, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher, typically found in the upper left corner. In the search bar, type email templates and select it from the results. Once in the email templates section, identify the type of template you wish to use. You can choose between classic email templates and lightning email templates. For downloading existing templates, locate and select the template you wish to download. Open the template to review its details. Look for the option to export or download the template, which is usually found in the Settings or More Options menu. Select the format you want to download the template in, typically HTML, Word, or plain text. Once downloaded, open the file to review its content and ensure it meets your needs. Now, return to Salesforce to configure your new email template. Create a new email template by clicking on the New Email Template button. Fill in the required fields, including the template name, subject line, and description. If you opted for a classic email template, select Custom or Visualforce based on your requirements. For Lightning email templates, choose the layout and style that best fits your branding. In the email body section, you can either paste the content from the downloaded template or create new content. Utilize merge fields to personalize your email templates for recipients. Preview the email template to ensure that everything appears correctly. Make any necessary adjustments before saving the template. After saving, you may want to test the email template by sending a sample email to yourself. Ensure that all links and formatting are functional in the received email. Once confirmed, your email template is ready for use across different campaigns or workflows in Salesforce. Repeat the process for any additional email templates you wish to configure. This will enhance your communication strategy within Salesforce effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.